What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Here we have our FLR network, which is up 36.8% at 1.6 cents. This had a massive run today. It's the top leader on CoinGecko right now. So $889 million market cap with 62 billion coins in circulation with a max supply of infinite. I always warned of infinite max supply coins, but because that means they can mint as many as they want, but always do your own research because there could be a certain unlock period and stuff like that, not meaning to deter you from this whatsoever. Now, the all-time high on this was 2 years ago at 15 cents. All-time low was 1 year ago at 0.008. We're only up 65% from that all-time high. This coin's currently available on the following markets: Digifinex, Gate.io, OKX, Coinbase. The crazy part is Digifinex has the highest volume right now. It's beating out Coinbase and MEXC. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on FLR. All right, guys, FLR, we're looking at the day chart. This is the pretty much the lifespan of the coin right now. Fantastic buying opportunity happened yesterday. Hopefully you guys were able to pick some up down here with this huge God candle that spawned in. One thing we want to point out here on the day chart is all the signs that kind of led to this. The first thing being is the WTX. Look at the multiples buy signals you had. Buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. This deep one right here was the confirming factor, which if we draw a horizontal line at that buy signal, you can see other price ranges, other price targets have hit that area and seen very large reversals from that point. We look at the stock RSI. The stock RSI formed a double bottom right here. Good sign of a reversal happening, which spawned that God candle. On top of that, you can see that green buy signal today spawned in that very light green candle. We did cross over bullish here on the MACD, which is fantastic. RSI is looking solid. So what we currently want to look for now is, where's the next resistance? Where's the next support? Is this going to continue, or is this just a relief rally? Now, if we drop from our all-time high to our all-time low and look, we currently haven't gotten over a 236 at 1.7 cents. That is our key area to overtake here on this coin, is 1.7 cents. So let's keep an eye on that. We have a lot of room to run still, guys. Even though we've had this huge run today for FLR, our indicators are still completely reset, pretty much at the bottom of the barrel reset. So we do have a ton of room to run here. One thing we really want to focus on, though, is this downtrend. I don't think we can really count that, but this downtrend right here, if we get over this 382 here at 2.8 cents, that's when FLR is going to start taking off. So write that down, tattooed on your forehead. I don't care what you do. 2.8 cents is the moon line. That's a little bit of hopium. But in the meantime, what we need to focus on getting over is 1.7. It does look like we are going to be heading up to 1.7 from where we're currently at. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, it'll give us a little bit more confirmation of that. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we actually are still bullish here. If we look at the stock RSI, blue over orange is bullish on the stock RSI, and we can run much higher. You can see we normally do run up to around the 99 to 100 area on the stock RSI, which is indicative of heading up to that resistance area, which we talked about. We look at the WTX. WTX is still heading up here. No signs of falling down or diverting to the downside. RSI is just going straight vertical. Absolutely awesome, guys. So hopefully you guys, long-term holders, are finally feeling some relief from this dip. It's pretty gnarly. A lot of coins are recovering good today, though. And then obviously in the short term, the RSI is going absolutely parabolic. So what we want to focus on here in the short term is getting over 1.7 cents. If we get rejected off 1.7 cents, we'll probably head back down to the 236 here at 1.4. So that is our area to test. We need to get over 1.7. If you get rejected, we're heading down to 1.4. Overall, we have finally broken this downtrend. We did put in a higher high. So the overall trend from December 2024 till today has officially been broken. We are officially bullish compared to bearish. So fantastic news. Congratulations, flare holders, because it does look like this might be the start of the heavy recovery that we've been looking for. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.